improved power factor correction for reduced amperage draw and improved operation on generator power sources. An efficient 4-fan design which not only improves cooling and efficiency, but also reduces noise levels by up to 10 decibels. The unit now has a purge feature for adjusting gas flow without having to step on the foot pedal. This year's model features a spot weld timer which is perfect for tagging and making consistently sized spot welds. This year's model offers improved operation in stick mode with the addition of a 6010 cellulose function that improves arc performance. One of the most notable improvements is the addition of the dual voltage operating capability. This will allow you to operate the welder on 120 or 240 volt single phase power for maximum go anywhere portability. Please note this unit no longer supports 1 and 3 phase 240 volt input in favor of the dual voltage capability. For those wishing for dual phase capability on 240 volts with options up to 480 volts 3 phase, the new 325 EXT now supports the single and 3 phase operation with 325 amps output on single phase. This year's model features a standard NEMA 650 power plug for 240 volt operation and a 120 volt adapter plug as well. Join us for part 2 in this series of the 2015 PowerTIG 255 EXT when we take a closer look at the unit and discuss the latest accessory package. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Everlast Power video series.